Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop a video on TikTok. It's very simple and easy. You can do it on iOS, iPhone device and Android as well. So when you open your TikTok app, we tap on plus button and for example, I record new video. Alright, and now when you have any of video, at the right side you can see many different options, but you don't have any available crop option with your video. So we just close TikTok app and go to your gallery and now select any of your video and then tap on edit at the top right, and here you will see this arrow with different options. Just tap on it, and here as you can see I can crop this video. Just hold finger here and swiping here. For example, I show you. As you can see, I can crop this video, and then when you finish, tap on done at the bottom right corner. And here is a new video, just preparing, as you can see. Alright, next step, go to TikTok app, then discard this option. Just tap on X here and then tap discard, and now we should upload this video. Just tap on upload here, select cropping video, then tap on next. Alright, and now just tap on again next, describe your video, of course, add some different, add location, for example, link if you need it, and some different option, and then of course post this video to your TikTok.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.